Taking a tough stand against those trying to break the integrity of Manipur, United Committee Manipur (UCM) reiterated that it will teach a lesson to any community that tries to break the integrity of the state. Speaking on the sidelines of a Langbal Heshoi Thaba ritual held at Gekrupa today, President of UCM Joy Chandra Konthozam further said a lesson needs to be taught to those challenging the integrity of Manipur like in the past. The atrocities carried out upon protesting students by security forces has added fuel to the fire in the ongoing turmoil. Joy Chandra strongly condemned these acts by the security forces. He also appealed to the relevant authority to carry out a thorough demarcation of the remaining 70-kilometer Manipur-Myanmar border and complete the fencing. He also said the ministers and MLAs must resign on their own if they are not able to perform their duties.
Langban Thana Lampada, New Time Pana, Hawaii, Ponta, Adubaba, Miamna, like from the Haina Kunu, Kaku Pata, Mashi, Hayley, Shane, Katuna, like with the fishing or Pamida, Hadiba, Hayley, Shane, Kuting, Katseri, like Longo Shemi, who won upon Biduna, like with the fishing, Nongaya Pana, they never be the Katsavani, Oji, Toiba. Manipur iramdam asibu kaiba yaba haina Hawaii na ponta pikrabisingsu aikoina katseriba cheng thoiding hailei khudingmakse phambiraga daibongbu sembimoko imuana phambiraga aikoini adugumba lai isin inaususu aram param ko oisunu haina daibongbu sembimoko no phambijeri